Good day, fellow students. Welcome to this video on course management. My name is Delali and I want to take you through how to manage courses that you have been enrolled in on the CBET e-learning platform. So let's start with it. I'm going to open my web browser here, and this video assumes that you already know how to access your dashboard or even how to log in and register. Okay, and we have already looked at how to quickly access a course that you are looking for, either by visiting the sidebar and clicking on the course, or by looking under recently accessed courses, or by going through the course overview. So I'm going to choose one course here. I'm going to select let's see, let me select database system design. So once you click on a course you are looking for, it will bring you to the course page. Okay, so this is the course page, and you will see a list of options here. You see announcements, student assignment setup, virtual classroom, recommended textbooks, and all of these things. We are not going to go through everything here, okay, but we are going to go through only the major things. Okay, so on the course page, you would see all of this list like we have described already, but the most important thing is to go through your lectures. Okay, so we can see lecture 1, topic 2, topic 3, topic 4, topic 5. It is the lecturer's job to put a list of lectures here. Okay, so the lecturer would list all the lectures that you are supposed to take. So whenever you come to the course page, your focus should be on the lectures, especially if you are not going to write exams or anything. So I'll click on lecture 1 here in order to access the lecture 1 course. There is nothing under lecture 1, so nothing is actually opening here for me, and that is because the lecturer for this particular course hasn't put anything there. Okay, but once the lecturer puts something there, when you click on the lecture topic or when you click on the lecture title here, it would open the lecture details for you to see what the lecturer has put in there. Okay, so that is it for lecture notes. It is very easy to access. Now keep in mind that when you visit the sidebar on the course page, a few things would be different. You can see the lectures and the topics here under the side, in the sidebar. Okay, in addition to the previous things that we saw already. So it shows participants, badges, competencies, grades, general, and then the lectures like we have described already. Okay, now keep in mind that this is very different from when you are on the dashboard. Let's go back to the dashboard and let's access the sidebar. You see, you don't see those things here. You see only it starts from dashboard, site, home, calendar, and so on. But then when you visit any course, the sidebar changes. So I'll click on this course again, access the sidebar, and you can see it adds a different list. Now let's go through them one after the other. So we take participants. Participants would show every person enrolled in that course. Okay, so you can check if your name is part of the participants section. So going through, these are the people that have been enrolled in this particular course. So you can see all of them here. Okay, so this is helpful in case you want to be actually sure that you are enrolled in a certain course. Okay, now badges are some things that we wouldn't focus on too much for this video. So here it tells me that there are no badges available. That is because the lecturer hasn't set badges for this particular course. We will go through badges in a later video, but we wouldn't go through it now. Competencies also the same. There is a dedicated video for competencies, and we would look in that later. Now grades is something that I would like to talk about because many people asked questions about this. Now keep in mind that the CBET e-learning platform, that is where you would go in order to access your virtual classroom and everything, is not where lecturers will store grades. Okay, this feature is there, the system supports it, but CBET does not focus on the e-learning platform to grade you. You know, we have a different platform called the iCampus, and the iCampus is where you check your grades, you check your student report, your finances, and all of those kind of things. There is a dedicated series on iCampus, and we are going to do that later. So if you want to see your grades, don't focus on coming here you are not going to see anything here because lecturers will not put the grades here. The feature is there, but it is not going to be used, so please keep it in mind. And as usual, as I've gone through over, you can easily access the course contents from the sidebar, that is the lecture notes. So this lecture 1, topic 2, topic 3, topic 4, topic 5, they are actually lecture notes, that is if the lecturer has put anything there. So that is it for this video. I would see you in the next video where we talk about submitting assignments. Thank you.